Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy vest or Ruana. And you're going to work this pattern by working two long sections like scarves, long rectangles, and sew them up the back, and then either sew them down the two sides or sew a button right through both the front and the back to connect them. And you can make it long or short, any length that you like. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free, or on Etsy. HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. I'm working with Bernat Chunky yarn, or you could work with 3 strands of worsted weight yarn. And I'm working with a 9mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain as long as you would like your vest or your Ruana to be, from the front bottom hem all the way over your shoulder and down to the back hem. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, 1, 2, single crochet, and single crochet in each stitch all the way down the row. All the way down the row. And when you've worked all the way down the row, this is what it will look like. And this works up very quickly. So for the next row and for every row, for the remainder of the pattern, you're going to chain 1 and turn. And you're going to single crochet across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. So single crochet in every stitch all the way down the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. All the way down your row. Like that. See how quickly? 2 rows, that's already 1 inch of work. So every row will be exactly the same. Chain 1 and turn your work. And you don't have to work into this stitch because this chain 1 was going to take the place of that. So you start working in the second stitch, single crochet in every stitch all the way down the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. Like that. See, that's only 3 rows, and it's already quite wide. So you just continue to repeat that row over and over until the work is 1/2 the width of your front or back. So if your chest is 60 inches, this should be 15 inches, which would only be about 30 rows. And then either sew them down the 2 sides or sew a button right through both the front and the back to connect them. And you can make it long or short, any length that you like.